Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to make a presentation using Canva AI. So after you open Canva, you want to click on Canva AI over here at the top, and then you're going to create the prompt, like for example, create the presentation about the circulatory system, like so. And of course, you can create your own prompt based on what kind of presentation you'd like to make. And after you've done that, just submit the prompt. And you want to wait for it for a few seconds. And after a few moments, it will give you some options of the presentation. So you can go ahead and check which presentation you think looks the best. And then once you've selected one, just click on it. Then you can also change the color of the design. Then click on Use Canva Editor over here at the top. And from here, you can also modify the contents of the presentation if you want. Then just click on Share over here at the top. Then click on Download so you can download your copy of the presentation. So that's it. Thanks for watching.